Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to type square symbol in Excel. Okay, so if you want to type square symbol in Excel, what you have to do first, I'm going to show you uh, I want to type centimeter square. Okay, so how to type this one in centimeter square, how to type this centimeter square. So what you have to do, you have to just select the first this two and then press Control 1, or if you are using Windows, if you are using MacBook, you have to just press Command and 1. Okay, then here you will see superscript option. Now you have to just click on superscript and click on OK. Now you will see it is easily you can make it. Okay, so 2 centimeter square. Now I'm going to show you how to type it on the numbers. Okay, so what you have to do again, you have to just select first one. Okay, then what you have to do, command +1 or control +1, superscript, click on OK. So like this you can do this. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for